Hello, my name is Joshua Mugabe. I welcome you to UCE Biology Section A, 2004, Paper 1. Which of the following are structure adaptations to flight in birds? A. Light bones and webbed feet. B. Webbed feet and light feathers. C. Streamlined body and light bones. D. Smooth body and light feathers. The answer is C. Streamlined body and light bones. In which of the following associations do both organisms benefit? A. Malleolopalazite and human. B. Tapeworm and human. C. A fungopalazite and plant. D. Nitrogen-fixing bacteria and leguminous plant. The answer is D. Nitrogen-fixing bacteria and leguminous plant. Which one of the following methods would be best for estimating the population density of rats in a bush? A. Dialect counting. B. Quadrant counting. C. Line transect. D. Capture-recapture method. The answer is D. Capture-recapture method. Addition of humus to a sandy soil would A. Decrease the capillarity of the soil. B. Increase the aeration of the soil. C. Decrease mineral content of the soil. D. Improve the water retention capacity of the soil. The answer is D. Improve the water retention capacity of the soil. At which of the following levels of classification can organism interbreed and produce fertile offspring? A. Class. B. Species. C. Phylum. D. Kingdom. The answer is B. Species. By which one of the following processes does carbon dioxide leave the blood capillaries into the alveoli? A. Osmosis. B. Active transport. C. Diffusion. D. Capillarity. The answer is C. Diffusion. Which one of the following parts of the mammalian ear is concerned with balance? A. Cochlea. B. Semicircular canal. C. Eustachian tube. D. Oval window. The answer is B. Semicircular canal. The main reason why birds sit on their eggs during the incubation period is to ensure that A. Hatching occurs quickly. B. Rain does not destroy eggs. C. Eggs are kept at a constant temperature. D. All eggs develop chicks at the same time. The answer is C. Eggs are kept at a constant temperature. Which one of the following would be a correct sequence of plant succession on an abandoned tarmac road? A. Mosses, herbs, shrubs, trees. B. Herbs, mosses, shrubs, trees. C. Shrubs, herbs, trees, mosses. D. Mosses, herbs, trees, shrubs. The answer is A. Mosses, herbs, shrubs, trees. Which one of the following is likely to cause pollution in water bodies? A. Overfishing. B. Boat racing. C. Use of fertilizers. D. Use of farmyard manure. The answer is C. Use of fertilizers. When a growing shoot is placed horizontally, it bends upwards after some time. Which of the following is correct? A. High oxygen concentration on the upper side inhibits growth on the upper side. B. High oxygen concentration on the lower side makes the lower side grow faster. C. Lack of oxygen on the upper side inhibits growth on the upper side. D. Low oxygen concentration on the lower side makes the lower side grow faster. The answer is B. High oxygen concentration on the lower side makes the lower side grow faster. Which one of the following is an advantage of vegetative propagation? A. Competition between parent and offspring is minimal. B. Colonization of new habitants is fast. C. Variation among offsprings occurs. D. Maintenance of parental characteristics in offsprings. The answer is D. Maintenance of parental characteristics in offsprings. Which one of the following excretory products are removed from the body by the kidney? A. Urea, excess water, and excess salts. B. Urea, excess water, and carbon dioxide. C. Carbon dioxide, excess water, and excess salts. D. Carbon dioxide, urea, and excess salts. The answer is A. Urea, excess water, and excess salts. Which one of the following pairs of organs is important in the digestion of fats? A. Stomach and liver. B. Pancreas and stomach. C. Liver and pancreas. D. Stomach and mouth. The answer is C. Liver and pancreas. Which of the following describes the carrying capacity of a population? A. Maximum number of organisms that can reproduce freely in a habitat. B. Area occupied by organisms of different species. C. Maximum number of organisms that can be supported by a specific area. D. Maximum number of plants that can support animals in a given area. The answer is C. Maximum number of organisms that can be supported by a specific area. Figure 1 shows how the body temperature of animals A and B vary with environmental temperature. Which one of the following is demonstrated in the figure? A. Body temperature of A is dependent on environmental temperature. B. Body temperature of B is dependent on environmental temperature. C. A has a higher body temperature than B. D. B loses more heat than A. The answer is B. Body temperature of B is dependent on environmental temperature. Which of the following features show continuous variation? A. A, B, and O blood groups. B. Sickle cells. C. Hemophilia. D. Hate. And the answer is D. Hate. Which of the following is a likely effect of decrease in the number of platelets in the blood? A. The blood may not be able to carry enough oxygen. B. There may be prolonged bleeding in case of an injury. C. The body may not be able to fight disease. D. The body may not be able to distribute heat efficiently. The answer is B. There may be prolonged bleeding in case of an injury. Which one of the following characteristics may be used to determine whether leaves are compound? A. Nature of margin. B. Number of leaflets. C. Types of ventilation. D. Presence of the leaflets. The answer is D. Presence of leaflets. The following events occur during germination of a bean seed. 1. Development of lateral crops. B. Growth of radicle out of the tester. 3. Hypocotyl pulls cotyledons out of soil. 4. Growth of root hairs. Which one of the following gives the correct sequence of the events? A. 1, 2, 3, and 4. B. 2, 3, 4, and 1. C. 2, 4, 1, and 3. D. 2, 1, 3, and 4. The answer is B. 2, 3, 4, and 1. Give which one of the following stimulates the reabsorption of water in the kidney? A. Adrenaline. B. Antidiuretic hormone. C. Thyroxine. D. Insulin. The answer is B. Antidiuretic hormone. The best explanation for panting in an athlete immediately after a race is to A. Allow fast blood flow to the lungs. B. Restore the used up energy. C. Take in more oxygen. D. Allow fast blood flow from the muscle. The answer is C. Take in more oxygen. During pregnancy in humans, the substances that pass from the mother to the embryo are A. Oxygen, nitrogenous wastes, and glucose. B. Glucose, amino acids, and oxygen. C. Carbon dioxide, mineral salts, and nitrogenous wastes. D. Carbon dioxide, amino acids, and mineral salts. The answer is B. Glucose, amino acids, and oxygen. An endosperm is formed in plants when the second male nucleus fuses with the A. Egg nucleus. B. Polar nuclei. C. Antipodal nuclei. D. Embryo sac. The answer is B. Polar nuclei. In a pea plant, tallness is dominant over shortness. If a heterozygous tall plant is crossed with a short plant, the proportion of the offsprings will be A. 50% tall, 50% short. B. 100% tall. C. 25% tall, 75% short. D. 75% tall, 25% short. The answer is A. 50% tall, 50% short. A farmer grew beans and noticed that the leaves turned yellow, but the veins remained green. The minerals likely to be deficient in the soil are A. Magnesium and iron. B. Potassium and manganese. C. Calcium and potassium. D. Zinc and calcium. The answer is B. Potassium and manganese. Which of the following conditions increases the rate of transpiration? A. High temperature, wind conditions, and high humidity. B. Low temperatures, wind conditions, and high humidity. C. High temperatures, low humidity, and wind conditions. D. Low temperatures, low humidity, and still air. The answer is C. High temperatures, low humidity, and wind conditions. Which of the following parts of a microscope magnify the object? A. Eyepiece and mirror. B. Objective lens and mirror. C. Eyepiece and objective lens. D. Eyepiece and fine adjustment. The answer is C. Eyepiece and objective lens. Which one of the following shows the correct order of cell organization? A. Organism, system, organ. B. Tissue, organ, organism. C. Organ, tissue, organism. D. Tissue, organ, system. The answer is D. Tissue, organ, system. Which one of the following is a long-term adaptation of mammals to low temperature environment? A. Raising of hair. B. Increase in metabolic rate. C. Deposition of fats under the skin. D. Reduction of blood flow to the skin. The answer is C. Deposition of fats under the skin. Hello, my friends. Thank you very much for participating in UCE Biology. Please do like, share, and subscribe. Bye-bye.